Hello everyone, this is video number 16 on pair of linear equation in two variables, and in this video we will continue exercise 3.5. So let's start question number second.
And first part, for which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equation has an infinite number of solutions?
And linear equations are
2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So compare with this two equation with our general form, that is a1x plus b1y equal to, suppose c1, because your constant lying on right side, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So here a1 which is 2, b1 which is 3 and c1 which is 7. a2 which is a minus b, coefficient of x, that is a2. b2 which is a plus b, and c2 this is the constant, 3a plus b minus 2. Now since it has infinite many solutions, so a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, this is the condition of many solution. So in place of a1 and a2 put this value, so 2 upon a minus b, this is 3 upon a plus b, and c1 upon c2 means 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Now give equation number 1, 2 and 3 by first and second. So since all three conditions are equal, so taking by first and second, here is no restriction by taking first and third or first, second and third. So you may take first and second. So 2 upon a minus b equal to 3 upon a plus b. Cross multiplication, so 2 into a plus b and that side 3 into a minus b. Open this bracket, so 2a plus 2b and here 3a minus 3b. 3 and 3b transfer into left side, so 2a plus 2b as it is, this is minus 3 and it is minus plus 3b equal to 0. Now here 2a and this is minus 3a, so only minus a remaining, plus 2b and plus 3b, that is plus 5b equal to 0, equation number 4. Now taking second and third, second which is equal to third, so second is 3 upon a plus b and third is 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Once again by cross multiplication, so 3 into this bracket equal to 7 into a plus b. Now open the bracket, so 3 into 3 9a plus 3b and 3 into 2 minus 6, and that side 7a plus 7b and 7 and 7b transfer into left side. So 9a plus 3b minus 6 as it is, and 7 and 7b both are negative, both will be negative, minus 7a and minus 7b equal to 0. Now 9a minus 7, it means only 2a, 3b and this is minus 7b, so their difference is minus 4b, and minus 6 transfer into right side. Now here 2 is common, so only a minus 2b remaining. So this 2 cancel out with 6, so 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So our equation is only a minus 2b equal to 3, and give equation number 5. Once again observe equation number 4 and 5. Here 4 which is minus a plus 5b equal to 0, and here a minus 2b equal to 3. Here coefficient of a both are same, numerically same, this is minus 1 and that is plus 1. So if they are opposite sign, then adding these two equations, so by 4 plus 5. First write equation number 4, minus a plus 5b equal to 0, and after that fifth one is a minus 2b equal to 3. So on addition, plus and minus a cancel out, 5 minus 3, it means only plus 3b, and that side 0 plus 3 3, 3b is equal to 3, then b is equal to only 1, 3 and 3 cancel out. Now put this value in equation number 5th. A minus 2b is equal to 3, in place of b write 1, so 2 into 1 2 and minus 2 transfer into right side, so it will be plus, so a is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. So our answer is a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Now second part of this question is, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation has no solution? So equation is 3x plus y equal to 1, and second equation 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y, and right side 2k plus 1. So once again compare this equation with general form. a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2, because here constant lying on right side. So here a1 is 3, b1 is 1, coefficient of y, that is 1, and c1 also 1, a2 which is 2k minus 1, b2 that is k minus 1, and this is c2 2k plus 1. Since our condition is equation has no solution, so since it has no solution, so a1 upon a2 which is equal to b1 upon b2, and which is not equal to c1 upon c2. So put the value. a1 upon a2 means 3 upon 2k minus 1, b1 upon b2 means 1 upon k minus 1, and which is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Since first and second both are equal, so by taking first and second, 3 upon 2k minus 1 which is equal to 1 upon k minus 1, by cross multiplication 3 into k minus 1, and right side 1 into 2k minus 1, open the bracket, so 3 into k, and this is only minus 3. Here only 2k minus 1, now k transfer into left side, and this 3 transfer into right side. So 3k, and this is minus 2k, and minus 1 as it is, and minus this is minus 3 transfer to right side, so it will be plus 3. 3k minus 2k, that is only k, and here minus 1 and plus 3, that is only 2. This is the answer. When you put k is equal to in this condition, suppose this is k is equal to, so 2 into 2 4 minus 1, it means 3 by 3, that is 1, and here k is equal to 2, so 2 minus 1, it means only 1 by 1 also 1. So both side LHS first and second both are equal, but a1 upon a2 which is equal to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2, right? 2 here, so 2 into 2 4 plus 1, it means 5, it means 1 upon 5. So k is equal to 2 satisfy this condition which has no solution. So our answer is k is equal to 2. Now, so example number 16. Find the value of k for which the following pair of linear equation has many solution. And equation is kx plus 3y minus k minus 3 equal to 0, 12x plus ky minus k equal to 0. So once again compare with standard form. So here a1 which is k, b1 which is 3, and c1 which is minus in the bracket k minus 3. Now a2 is 12, b2 is k, and c2 which is minus k. Since it has many solution, so a1 upon a2 which is equal to b1 upon b2, and which is equal to c1 upon c2. Now place the value. a1 upon a2, that is k by 12, this is k by 2, equal to 3 by k, this is b1 upon b2, and c1 upon c2, it means minus in the bracket k minus 3 upon minus k. So here minus sign cancel out, only k minus 3 upon k remaining. Since all three cases are equal, three sides are equal, so taking first and second, so k by 12 which is equal to 3 by k, so by cross multiplication k into k square, and 12 into 3 36, taking square root, so k is equal to plus minus 6. So here two answers, plus 6 and minus 6. Now once again by second and third, since all three cases are equal, first, second and third, so you may take also 1 is equal to 3. So we are taking second and third. So second and third, 3 upon k which is equal to k minus 3 upon k by cross multiplication. So it will be 3k and k into k minus 3, open this bracket, so it will be k square minus 3k. Now this 3k transfer into right side, so k square minus 3k, also it will be minus 3k, because it is plus, so it will be minus 3k. So minus 3k and minus 3k, it will be minus 6k. Now k is common. When k is common, it will only in the bracket k minus 6 remaining. Let's see here. If k is common, then in the bracket k minus 6 remaining. either k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. So first answer is k equal to 0 and minus 6 transferred to right side, so k is equal to 6. So in this case there are two answers, k equal to 0 and k is equal to 6. But in first case there are two answers, plus 6 and minus 6. But one thing is common in both, which is the k is equal to 6 here also and there also. So since k is equal to 6 is common in both cases, so our answer is k is equal to 6. Okay, thank you guys.